Unraveling the Mystery of the Whispering Wind.
In a quiet little valley, the children often heard a soft sound. Whoosh, whoosh, whisper, whisper. Lina turned to her grandmother. "Where do these whispers come from?" she asked. Her grandmother smiled. "That is the whispering wind if you listen closely. It will tell you secrets about the world." The next morning, Lina stepped outside. The breeze tugged at her hair, almost as if saying, "Come this way." She smiled and followed, ready to discover the secret of the whispers. Through the forest she went, the trees swaying and rustling. The leaves brushed against each other, creating the first whispers. "Shh," they said. "We are the voices of the trees." Next, she reached the tall fields of grass. The stalks bent back and forth, making a soft hiss. The grass whispered, "We dance with the wind, so it can sing through us." As Lina climbed a rocky hill, the wind grew stronger. It whistled between the cracks in the stones. We hummed the rocks. We give the wind a flute to play. At last, Lina stood on the hilltop. The forest, the grass, the rocks, and the river all joined in one song. The wind was everywhere, shaping its voice through the world around her. When Lina returned home, she said, "I discovered the mystery. The wind whispers because the earth gives it a voice." Her grandmother nodded, "Yes, my dear. And when you listen, the wind will always remind you how alive our world is." That night, Lina drifted to sleep with the window open. The whispering wind sang her a lullaby. Whisper, hush. And from then on, she always listened, because the wind's story was never the same twice.